Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a 10-minute tutorial. The first thing I would do is have my makeup already here, like already set. Another thing is you definitely want to make sure your sponges are wet before you start, so wet your sponges while you're brushing your teeth or something. So priming your face. I prime my face because I kind of feel like I can't go without it. So this isn't really a super necessary step, to be honest. You can totally skip this or use a primer water. Next is stick foundation. I prefer stick foundation because it's faster. So I'm gonna just put it on my problem areas. I'm not gonna try to put it every single place. Yeah. Stick it on your problem areas and blend it with a brush because sponges take longer to blend. A lot of people just use concealer for this step, but I don't really have any skin tone colored concealer. All my concealers are lighter than my skin, so I just use this. So if you have, I would suggest getting skin tone concealer. That way you can just spot conceal and you'll be set. So now I've got a light amount of coverage on my face and that took like 30 seconds. Using a brush is key. It really helps make the process a lot faster. So next we're gonna go in with a concealer. I'm going with this one. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind. It's fast. You just click it and you stick it on your face. For me, I almost can't go without contouring, so I'm just gonna take a cream contour stick because it's easy, it's quick. We're gonna be bronzing, so you can just skip this and just powder contour. We have the base down. That didn't take very long. I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly powder. For this, because you wanna be quick, I'm going to use a brush. And then I'm going to bronze the rest of my face with just a bronzer. If you're really trying to go super fast, I suggest getting one of these kits where all of your powder needs are in one palette. Or you can even get one of those that has blush and highlight and everything in one palette. So we've got our base down. It doesn't look too harsh or heavy. Some light contour, very minimal amount of foundation. So what I like to do is continue on the cream train, and I'm gonna go in with cream blush. Obviously you can tone down the blush. I really like a lot of blush, so that's kind of why I went a little bit heavier than most would. Continue on the cream train because cream is just really quick. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Fenty Beauty Sinamon highlighter. This side already almost looks blended. And then you can just go in with the same sponge. What we're looking for here is just really quick, fast, and in a hurry. So the less sponges and brushes you need to go into, the better. For the next step, which is brows, I highly suggest you use a brow gel if you have decent brows like I do. I can't find my brow gel, so we're gonna have to use a brow pencil, which is my next best suggestion. When attempting to do your eyebrows fast, I would just focus on the tail end of your brow, and I pretty much neglected the front of my brow, just did the tail and called it a day. So we're gonna go back into our highlight shade, and we're just gonna put that on our lids. Just a little bit though. Put it on your lid and then blend it. And then for the inner corner, last I would just do is a little bit of the lip gloss. I like to do skin tone nudes, so anything that will cover the discoloration that I got on my lips from the sun. Yeah, just go in with your favorite gloss. It's quick, it's fast, and it's always in your purse and or bag. And then we're just gonna go in with our lashes, which I believe is the last step. So just use your favorite mascara. I think that's everything. And of course you want to spray your face with a spray that'll last all day. So I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter. Did I say Urban Decay? The Urban Decay All Nighter. So that brings us to the end of the video. I really do hope you enjoyed, and I hope that these tips and tricks make sense for you and you can implement them into your daily routine when you want to do your makeup really fast, really quickly in the morning to get yourself put together and, you know, slay for the rest of the day. Please like the video if you liked it, of course. If you made it this far, I'm hoping you liked it, because why would you sit through the whole thing? Subscribe down below and hit the post notification so you get notified every single time I upload, which is the bell symbol. That will be all for me today. Peace out, Girl Scout.